Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to correctly change engine oil on your RAV4 2015. In this case, I'm going to use 020 full synthetic oil and original filter. In order to remove the drain plug, I'm going to use 14mm socket. And it's a good idea to put new gasket on. When it stops dripping, put the drain plug back on and make it nice and tight. To remove the oil filter, I'm going to use this simple tool from AutoZone. So it goes right on the bottom of the filter cup. And I'm going to put it back on. Last step, make sure to put the correct amount of oil in your engine. For this particular vehicle, we need 4.6 quarts. To reset your maintenance required light, you're gonna need to turn on the power, switch to trip A, turn off the power, hold this button and turn on the power. And you're all set. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.